Alright guys, so quickly I'll just show you how to use the mockup that we sent to enhance your images, and a quick tutorial on how to use camera raw just to finalize your pictures. So this is what it looks like. You just have to come to this base, click it twice to open. Here you can turn this off, locate your file, drag and drop. Alright, so we can just adjust it a little bit. Yeah. Then Ctrl S, just save. It's as easy as that. Then the file will do the entire work for you. So we'll have here before, this is after, before, after. So you can also adjust everything here is adjustable. Okay, you can just come and reduce the fill in case there's too much sharpening. The HDR, you can also tone it down a little bit. Okay, then let me just show you quickly. If I'm going to use this for maybe a design or something, what I'll just do is this, Control Alternate E. Let's create a new document. Bring this in here. And the size to fit. Good. Now, just quickly convert this to a smart object. Go to Filter, Camera Raw. Then you can just use this to enhance it more. Okay. This is how I get that effect I use for most of my designs. There we have it. There we go. So that's it.